Good afternoon. My name is Gavin Ruane, and I am in CPE 439, Section 1, and this is my Experiment 2 demonstration video. So as a reminder of what Experiment 2 is similar to last week where we're kind of switching between two different patterns using the LED, but this week we've added in some more complexity. So we're going to be able to switch in between two patterns using this blue button. This is the user accessible button. And of course, the patterns are going to change on this LED, which is connected to PA5. And how these are implemented is different than last week, where we used multiple tasks, FreeRTOS tasks. This week, we're using the idle task hook and the tick hook. So these are things that are part of FreeRTOS and they run at specific times. The idle task hook running every time, if there are no other tasks on the system, the idle task is going to run and we're going to go through the idle task loop. This is just something that's defined in the FreeRTOS specifications, and every time we go through that loop, we're going to run our task hook, our idle task hook. And for the tick hook, that runs every time we get a tick in FreeRTOS. So yeah, that's kind of the basics of that. So the idle task hook is the pattern that's using the idle task hook is what's shown right now. This is running at 8 Hertz, about 8 Hertz. And then when we click the button, we're going to see the tick hook pattern, which is going to be running at about 2 Hertz. So I'm going to do that right now. And you'll see that we get a lot slower. And again, this is implemented using the tick hook, this slower pattern. So every time you get a tick, we perform some logic to see, oh, should it be on, off, things like that. And you can see the code for that if you want to look at the specifics. And then if I let go, we go back to the 8 Hertz pattern, which does very similar logic. It just is specific to the idle task hook and does it in a way that makes it faster, of course. But yeah, I'll just click this a few more times so you can get a little demonstration. When I press it, we go slower. When I release it, faster. You'll see it's pretty responsive. So I'm gonna hit reset too, maybe just to see it start over. But yeah, that's kind of the basics of this experiment. So thank you for watching.